Ever wondered why London's Walkie Talkie skyscraper was dubbed as the Fryscraper? The building's concave design intensified sunlight, creating a phenomenon where sunlight reflected off its curved surface with concentrated intensity. A Park Jaguar's bodywork famously melted due to the intense focused sunlight, resulting in warped panels and heat damage. Temporary screens and canopies were urgently installed around the building to shield nearby cars and pedestrians from the direct impact of the solar glare. Scientific analysis revealed that the curved glass facade acted as a concave mirror, focusing sunlight into a concentrated beam that significantly raised local temperatures. Architects and engineers swiftly collaborated on a permanent solution to mitigate the solar glare, focusing on altering the building's exterior to diffuse and redirect sunlight. The building integrated horizontal aluminum fins to scatter sunlight, reducing intensity and glare, without compromising aesthetics. The successful fix led to positive public feedback and recognition for the unique design.